Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Automates Where. Diving into one of the most talked about machines in the construction world right now, the 2026 John Deere Bulldozer. And let me tell you, this beast is making waves across job sites, heavy equipment forums, and even social media where operators are losing their minds over the upgrades, power, and tech that Deere has packed into this machine. So if you're in the market or just a fan of earth-moving monsters, buckle up because this thing is the future of dozing. First off, the design. Let's start there. Because the 2026 model isn't just an iteration of last year's version, it's a complete overhaul. The contours are sleeker. Visibility is massively improved with that panoramic glass cab. And Deere went all in on operator comfort with an air-suspended seat that feels more like something out of a luxury truck than a Dozer. Plus, the joystick control layout has been redesigned for better ergonomics and intuitive control. And get this, voice-assisted diagnostics and machine analytics right from the cab. We're talking real-time fault detection, fuel consumption, tracking, and performance suggestions that pop up like a co-pilot. And under the hood, oh man, here's where it gets crazy. It's running the new PowerTech 9.0L engine that pushes out 375 horsepower with low-end torque that feels like you're dragging the earth backwards, not just moving dirt. And fuel efficiency has been bumped by 15% thanks to Deere's system, which automatically optimizes idle speed based on machine workload and ambient temperature. And let's talk about the Smart Grade 3D system that's been upgraded in the 2026 model. It's got full GPS integration, improved slope detection, and auto blade tilt that practically makes grade control effortless even for newer operators. So if you're a contractor who wants fast, consistent results without burning hours reworking passes, this thing is going to save you thousands in labor and fuel. Now, if you're wondering about durability, this thing is built like a high-carbon steel in all high-stress zones, double-sealed bearings, an upgraded cooling system that handles extreme temps better than ever, and maintenance. Deere made everything serviceable from ground level. With swing outdoors and QR code-based service guides, you can scan with your phone to get instant how-to videos for any component. And yeah, it's Tier 4 final compliant. But here's the kicker, they've built it with a modular emissions system. So when emissions standards inevitably evolve again, you won't have to replace the entire system. Just plug in the new module and keep working. And speaking of evolving, the new Bulldozer is 5G ready? Yes, 5G, meaning you can hook this up to Deere's machine monitoring cloud platform and get live diagnostics from anywhere in the world. Plus remote updates, geofencing, theft alerts, and customizable usage reports for fleet managers. Like you can literally be on a beach and see where your dozer is, what it's doing, and how it's performing. And let me tell you, operators are loving the new AI-assisted blade automation that learns your preferences over time. Like, if you like to carry material a certain way or prefer a certain blade angle, it remembers that and starts to suggest it automatically. And if you're thinking that sounds like overkill, wait until you've been pushing for 8 hours straight and realize how much less mentally and physically drained you are thanks to the machine adapting to your style. Also worth mentioning is the TrackSense suspension system that reduces vibration by 30% on rough terrain, giving you more control, less wear on your undercarriage, and way less operator fatigue, which is a huge deal on big commercial jobs. Plus, the 2026 model now has a low light adaptive lighting system with auto-dimming and thermal edge detection, which actually helps prevent job site accidents in poor visibility conditions, especially during early morning or late evening shifts. And the cab, it's fully climate controlled with filtered positive pressure airflow to keep dust out and fresh air in. And it's so quiet in there, you could literally take a call on speaker without shouting over the engine. And while we're on tech, yes, got over-the-air software updates, customizable control profiles for different operators, and even integrated training simulations built into the touchscreen. So new hires can practice using the controls virtually before even touching dirt, which is kind of mind-blowing when you think about how far we've come from cable levers and manual blade angles. And if you're thinking about transport, they redesigned the frame to be more modular and easier to break down for shipping, with weight distributed to stay under the dot limits for most U.S. highways, which is huge for crews that move between states regularly. And let's not ignore the fact that this thing looks badass. It's got a black-on-green detailing scheme with LED accent lighting and an illuminated Deere badge on the grille that glows when the machine is powered up. Not to mention customizable decal kits that let you rep your company or team colors. And yes, the 2026 Deere Bulldozer still comes with the extended 5-year, 5,000-hour warranty option that covers everything from hydraulics to software. And support has never been better. John Deere now offers 24/7 live operator chat through the display or mobile app, meaning if something goes wrong, help is literally one tap away. And as for pricing, it's definitely a premium machine. You're looking at around $580,000 base depending on configuration. But when you factor in the reduced fuel burn, faster project completion times, longer service intervals, and just the raw productivity gains. It basically pays for itself in 2 to 3 years for mid to large contractors. And what I love most is that Deere didn't just add more bells and whistles. They actually thought about what real job sites need: more uptime, easier controls, less operator fatigue, and a smarter machine that learns and adapts. And that's exactly what they delivered with this 2026 model. So if you haven't seen it in action yet, check out the test footage on the Deere site, or better yet, visit a dealership and climb into one yourself, because honestly, once you operate this bulldozer, you'll wonder how you ever did your job without it. And that's the truth. So smash that like button if you found this breakdown helpful. Drop your thoughts in the comments if you've run one already or plan to. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world heavy equipment, reviews, and insights. This is just the start of a whole new era in construction tech, and we're here for it.